Assalamu alaikum. Marhaba. Whether you're just starting out or you've been learning Arabic for a while, today I will share you the 5 most common mistakes every Arabic learner makes, and of course, how to avoid them. First one, mispronouncing the Arabic letters, especially the hard ones. Arabic, اللغة العربية, has sounds that don't exist in any other languages, like al and al-qa. A lot of learners pronounce them like a normal A or a normal K, which can change the meaning completely. For example, ayn is an I. However, if you pronounce it with an A, it becomes ayn, and it means where. Same spelling in English, totally different sounds in Arabic. How to fix it? Very easy. The same advice I've been giving in all of my previous videos. Listen a lot to Arabic. Repeat watching the Arabic clips I put in my channel, and also record yourself when you speak out loud. Trust me, with repetition, your pronunciation will improve dramatically. Mistake number 2, mixing dialects without knowing it. In Talk Arabic Today in our channel, I teach only MSA, Modern Standard Arabic. However, there are a lot of Arabic dialects, like the Moroccan dialects, or the Egyptian dialects. For example, you might be saying كيف حالك in one sentence and إزيك in another, and not realize they are from totally different dialects. How to fix it? Choose one dialect to focus on. This option depends on your goal. For example, if you are learning Arabic for travel, pick the dialect for that country and learn it. Or if your goal is to learn Arabic for religion purposes, or for reading, choose MSA. Mistake number 3, translating Arabic sentences literally. If you want to translate the phrase I am hungry into Arabic, it will become أنا يكون جائع, which is completely wrong. To fix it, you need to learn phrases the way Arabs say them. The correct way is أنا جائع. There is no in Arabic in this case, just the pronoun and adjective. Arabic has its own structure. Respect it and you will see the results. Mistake 4, ignoring the short vowels, that little marks above the letters. In Arabic, these marks, called harakat, tell you how to pronounce a word. They are small but powerful. For example, kitab, kutub, kataba. You see, just one change and boom, different meaning. So how to fix it? At the beginner level, read vocalized text with harakat, like children's book or Quranic verses. It really helps build your grammar and pronunciation. And finally, mistake number 5, not speaking enough. Studying too much and speaking too little. You can easily memorize 200 or 300 Arabic words. However, if you don't speak them out loud, they're useless. How to fix it? Talk to yourself. Record your voice. Join language exchange group. Talk to native speakers. Just open your mouth and say something. So let's recap the 5 mistakes: mispronouncing letters, mixing dialects, translating literally, ignoring short vowels, and finally not speaking enough. Remember, making mistakes is part of the learning process. But now that you know what you watch for, you are one step ahead. Let me know in the comments which of these mistakes have you made. Don't be shy, be honest. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification button so you will never miss the future lessons. Finally, I welcome you to visit our website at talkarabictoday.com, where you can get our premium course designed for anyone, literally anyone, who wants to speak Arabic fluently. I teach you how to understand Arabic clips, how to write in Arabic, and of course, how to speak like a native. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, good luck, keep practicing, and Assalamu alaikum.